Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. ये CMC वेलोर का फॉर्म आई वांट ऑल ऑफ यू टू फिल. इसमें अबाउट 350 सीट्स हैं प्लस माइनस सारे कोटाज मिला के. तमिलनाडु के जो एमबीबीएस स्टूडेंट्स हैं या तमिलनाडु के जो नेटिव्स हैं हु हैव डन एमबीबीएस आउटसाइड एल्सवेयर डू नॉट नीड टू फिल द फॉर्म. They will get admission into the CMC college via a Tamil Nadu special counseling. Other people all over India, I want all of you to fill this form. CMC बहुत ही ज्यादा प्रीमियर इंस्टीट्यूट है. Not many people know कि नीट एग्जाम से पहले इसका फॉर्म आ जाता है और क्लोज हो जाता है. तो एक ह्यूज प्लस होता है हमें फॉर्म भरना है, क्योंकि इन एनी केस अगर आप किसी पैक फार्मा जैसी ब्रांच जो चाहते हैं और वो कहीं बाहर मिल रही है, उसकी वजह अगर आपको सीएमसी मिलती है, वेरी वेरी बेनिफिशियल है. वेरी वेरी बेनिफिशियल. जरा सा छोटे से पैसे खर्च करके आपको ये फॉर्म भरना पड़ेगा. लास्ट डेट इज 13th of June. प्लीज मेक श्योर यू आर फिलिंग दिस फॉर्म. Here is the video description on how to fill the form, and it goes like this. Hi, so link is there in the description. You need to go to site now. Then click on medical PG, then candidate registration, then check out for the documents that are required. There are some basic documents that are required. Check out if you have all those things in the required format, right? After that, click on apply online. Fill out the basic form: candidate name, gender, email address, mobile number. Make sure you can receive OTPs on the mobile active cell number in India, so that you can receive OTPs on this number, right? Register. You will get a login ID. It will be a temporary login ID with which you need to sign up and complete your application. Copy and save this login ID. Then log in with the temporary login ID. Put your date of birth, and you will receive a OTP now. Log in with that OTP. There will be a form now. You need to fill out the basic details, right? House number, post office, city name, all those things. Wherever you are residing, whatever is your permanent address, mention that. Submit. Now it will be details of academic training. So if you are from CMC, any of the CMCs, there will be a quota for you, right? It's there in the prospectus. Otherwise, just fill out the basic MBBS and internship details. Others, because most of you will be from other colleges, right? Work experience, if at CMC there will be very few people, right? So for that, if you are from CMC, add the work experience. Otherwise, move on, right? And then submit and go next. There will be a few more details, and you need to add PG medical courses in CMC Vellore that you need to apply for. Next heading will be about upload your photo and signature. So you need to have them handy. Next is the payment process. Do it via credit or debit card, because if you are doing it via Challan, there is a certain system with which you have to send the Challan physically. So kindly do it via the credit or debit cards if possible. Payment, once the payment is done, the process is finished.